Imagine becoming a billionaire before turning 28, thanks to a camera in a fridge. Meet Alexander Wang, the youngest self-made billionaire who turned a college project into a $7.3 billion AI empire. It all started at MIT, where Wang was studying computer science and math. Frustrated by a lack of high-quality data for his AI projects, he faced a unique challenge. Labeling data was tedious and time-consuming. But instead of giving up, he had a eureka moment when trying to catch a food-stealing roommate with a fridge camera. The data problem led him to create Scale AI, a company that uses humans and machines to label data for AI systems. Dropping out of MIT, Wang joined Y Combinator and launched Scale AI. His startup took off, providing essential AI infrastructure to companies like Uber, Airbnb, and even the US Army. Today, Scale AI is valued at $7.3 billion, with Wang owning 15% of the company. Wang's journey from a simple fridge camera to building an AI giant shows that sometimes the most significant innovations come from solving everyday problems. So, what's your fridge camera idea? It might just make you a billionaire too.